This is day 7 of mastering the art of selling through copywriting. Let me tell you something most beginners get wrong. People don't buy because of logic. They buy because of emotion. And then they use logic to justify it. That's why two products with the same features can sell very differently. The difference? How they make you feel. There are 3 core emotions that drive almost every sale online: curiosity, urgency, desire. Let's break them down. First, curiosity. Curiosity makes people stop scrolling. When you say, "Here's how to write better ads," that's boring. But when you say, "Most ads fail because of this one mistake," now the brain needs the answer. Curiosity opens the door. Second, urgency. Urgency makes people act now. Without urgency, people say, "I'll do it later." Later means never. Words like now, today, limited, before it's gone, trigger the fear of missing out. Urgency removes hesitation. And third, desire. Desire paints a future people want. People don't want a course. They want confidence. They don't want software. They want freedom. They don't want followers. They want respect. Your job is to sell the after state, not the thing. Here's the rule to remember. Emotion sells. Logic explains. So next time you write a headline, caption, or script, ask yourself, what will this make them feel? If you get the emotion right, the sale becomes easy. This is day 7. Tomorrow, we'll turn emotion into stories that sell. Follow and stay with me. We're just getting there. See you tomorrow.